James here from Haltech. We're here at the Motorsport Park for the Chrome Exhibition Sessions 2020. Roll racing, drop flag drag racing, burnout competition, and also cruise with your mates. Very, very popular scene here in Christchurch. Let's go and check out the cars, the people for this 3-day event here in Christchurch.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
James, Haltech.
Corey.
What have you noticed over the scene since the earthquake? Obviously there's been lots of change in motorsport and the way that people interact and travel.
We're getting a lot more North Island cars, a lot more cars coming from down south. I think it's definitely growing.
People are travelling back to Christchurch
Yeah,
to be
people
able
are
to...
coming back, yeah. The numbers are there,
Yep.
The spectator numbers are there, and it's just growing bigger and bigger. I mean, I think at this event there would have been, what, 400 cars? And I think if you look out there, there's probably 60 drift cars out there today.
It's not bad.
Yesterday was bigger.
Yeah.
You know,
yeah.
So it's definitely not getting smaller.
No. G'day, James from Haltech.
How you doing, man? Jack.
Jack?
Yep.
All right, so you've been out here for the Chrome Exhibition Sessions?
Yeah, man. Yep.
And have you had fun?
Oh yeah. It's always a blast, eh?
All right, and where are you from?
Nelson.
Okay, so you've driven down?
Yep.
And what, you come down on Friday?
Yeah, no, I come down on Wednesday. Went to Timaru to Rapid Performance. Got a bit of work done there. Got them to set the dash up, touring the car, and they fly on the 56. Forced out the fly.
That's awesome. Give us the engine configuration. What do we got?
It's got a NDT built manifold, a tile wastegate, HX40 whole set, 880cc injectors, and the Elite 750 Haltech with
the dash.
With the dash, yeah.
IC7. You like the dash?
Oh yeah, it's grouse, eh? Yeah, man.
Lots of stuff to look at.
Oh yeah, man.
But you can see what you need to see.
Exactly, man. It's got everything, eh? It's unreal.
All right, Bex. Now we're here with your Evo. Tell us about it.
Well, I've had it about 5 years.
Yep.
I did a lot of drag racing in it when it was pretty well factory.
Yep.
And just over the years, I've acquired different parts, and the opportunity came up to buy an engine package.
Okay.
And it was running pretty healthy in the car it was in.
Yep.
And I said, yep, go for it.
Okay.
Retail.
So
yeah.
what have we got here? Is the 4G63. What's the engine out of?
It was an Evo 7.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, yeah.
And gearbox?
It's a factory gearbox.
Factory gearbox.
Yep,
cool.
factory gearbox.
Turbo?
Yes, yeah, running a whole set to HRC 35.
Cool. All right. And you're into your motorsport.
Yeah.
What events do you do?
I started off with the drags because my stepdad does circuit racing. And he just one day said, oh yeah, bring it out to the track, get amongst it, go for it. And I did track days, and then I did drag racing, and I won a couple of rounds.
Right.
So for the Dial Young, so I was doing quite well. He was like, that's really good. The first female to ever win one.
Yep.
And I just went from there and decided to give drifting a crack.
Okay.
But that was
What
another,
car?
I don't know, 32.
Okay.
20 basic setup, but
Yep.
I just found it was another money pit.
You support Drift South and the drifting
Very
side of
much,
things?
yeah, I love
What's
it.
your role in Drift South?
I do the grid work for Drift South now since I'm not driving.
Okay.
Yeah, but really enjoyable. Great lot of guys, get amongst it, they come out and competitive, but they're still really friendly and great to get to know and encourage them. And
Cool.
yeah.
All right, Bess,
have a
nice to
good
meet you.
time.
Thank you very
You
much.
too.
Cheers.